What's up, guys? Kelly McKay here, aka HVAC Millionaire, right here on YouTube. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell, hit the like button, and leave me a comment below. Today we're talking about shooting rabbits. Like, shoot 'em, Elizabeth, shoot 'em. If you like Troy on Swamp People, that always cracked me up whenever he would say that. So we're talking about shooting rabbits, and shooting rabbits is like, especially in the residential, if you're primarily residential with your business, then shooting a rabbit is like running a service call. It's like you can eat for a day, you know, and so it's very, very hard to survive off of just eating for a day by getting a service call each day. So if you want to grow your business, it's really hard to grow if that's all you're doing is service, because I get people that reach out to me, or I see stuff online where the guys get frustrated with doing install, and they're like, you know, whether they can't find help or whatever it is, they decide that they're just going to go back to service. They're just going to do service. Well, and that's fine. You can do that, but you're always going to be the guy. So if you always want to be the guy and just be one guy in a truck, more power to you. That's completely up to you. But if you get tired of being the guy and you want to grow your business, well, then you've got to look and hunt for deer. Because if you shoot a deer, then at least you can eat for a week. And then every so often you'll get a moose and you get to eat for a month. So if we want to grow our businesses and not always be the guy, then we got to start hunting deer, which means a deer would be like a full system replacement. And so I know it's hard when you're one guy in a truck, or two or three guys, and you're just spread really thin, but we got to start hunting for deer. We can't just be shooting rabbits every day. We're not going to have a thriving, successful business by just shooting rabbits. So make sure that you hunt for deer. Make sure that you check out www.hvac.nthzone.com. There's all kinds of services there if you're struggling and you want some help with building a new website or some SEO, or maybe now we're offering a virtual assistant. So now there's a virtual assistant program that you can use if you need some help doing some stuff that you need to get done, office work, administrative work, that maybe you're not, you find yourself spread too thin, you just don't have the time to do it. Be sure to check that out. Just check out the website. Also check out the YouTube channel, which is Nthzone Or I'm sorry, I keep saying .com. It's not Nthzone it's just Nthzone HVAC. Right here on YouTube. So be sure to check those things out. If you want help, like with your business, you want a coach, then I'd be happy to be that guy. I'll be happy to coach you and help you get to that next level in your business. And one thing about it is we don't just focus on the business, because I know that if I can help you improve as a person, if I can help you be better at your relationships or get better health and increase your energy, then that's what fuels your business. Because we all know that if we're having a bad day at home, chances are we're going to have a bad day at work. So if we can make that relationship better, then we have a far better chance of having a better day at work each and every day. So I can definitely help you with that. I can help you with increasing your energy, because we got to have energy without question. Like, if you're going to drive this ship, then it takes energy, and you're going to have to gain some more energy, and we can help you with that. So if you need help running your business, if you need help on planning for your business or figuring out how you're going to structure your business to get over that $1 million wall or $2 million wall, then I can help you with that. So be sure to check out the free training in the link below. Be sure to go to that website, check out if you need any services. They'll definitely be able to help you with that. HVAC Nthzone will be able to help you with that. Other than that, I'll tell you about an opportunity that I probably blew, because another cool thing that they do is they can do a press release for you. And so they did that for me, because we got a really cool special going on right now, because I'm trying to train my guys. So I want my schedule full with installs. I want to shoot more deer, and I want that schedule full so I can get my guys all trained up, because we're preparing for next summer. That's another thing is, when it comes to business ownership, we've got to be looking ahead. What are we going to do next summer? And I want 2 or 3 $500,000 months. That's my goal. So in order to do that, because I know we're capable, but we've got to have the people in place that are ready to go fillet that deer, right? We shoot the deer, but then we still got to fillet it. We still got to dress it to make sure that, and get that system installed. So anyhow, I got a press release sent out by HVAC Nthzone, and got a call from one of the local news stations. And so they give me a call, and I'm like, hey, I want to do a story on what you're doing, and we'll tie this into the local trade school in our area. I said, great, that's going to be awesome. And so I said, she was like, do you have a job going on today where I could get some footage of the guys working, like putting the system in? I said, yeah, we do. So I said, well, I'll meet you there in 45 minutes. Should I call the homeowner and find out if it's okay before we head over there, just to make sure we're not intruding on anything? She was like, yeah, let's do that. So I gave the homeowner a call, and they were like, yeah, no, we don't want that here. And I was like, well, what if we were just stayed outside and we were just there for like 10 minutes? And she was like, yeah, no. So I got shut down. I got turned down. It was on very short notice. This was like, this is like 10:30, and I'm saying I'm going to meet you there at 11:15. Let me call the homeowner, and the homeowner shut us down. So she was like, do you have any more jobs? Well, I don't have another install going on today, but I've got one tomorrow and the next day and Friday. And I know I sold the Friday one myself, so because I was there with the sales guy, and those people are so cool that I know they wouldn't have an issue. She says, okay, hold on. And she let me wait for about a minute, and she gets back on the phone. She says, yeah, we were wanting that for today, like right now. And I'm like, so I'll let you know. I'll give you a call. I said, okay. So anyhow, we lost an opportunity there to possibly get some exposure on the news. I probably should have made something happen, but I really just didn't. We were in such short notice. We just didn't have a situation where I could have some guys actually doing anything for them to get footage. And they really wanted that footage, like more so than even talking to me. They wanted that footage to correlate with the story. So blew my opportunity. Next time I'm going to be prepared. Next time we do a press release, I'm going to be prepared, and I will look ahead and make sure that any customer that we're doing that week says it's okay, just in case we get that call again on the spur of a moment. But the reality is we didn't have anything. We didn't have any news interview before they called, and we didn't have any after we talked to them. So I didn't lose anything. Still got the press release out, still got a commercial running through the end of October or November. We might extend that through December actually, but didn't lose anything, but it was an opportunity that possibly could have helped us out. So anyhow, that's the type of services that they're providing. It's great service. Also, if you want some coaching, check out the free training below. Schedule a call with either me or the other coach. We've got a course, 7 figures in 7 weeks. Basically, all the information you would need to know to build that 7-figure business, that I'm going to cram pack all of that information into a 7-week program. But you don't have to wait 7 weeks to go through it. It's all unlocked as soon as you enter the program. So you can go exactly right where you need information on what you need to change or what you need to do in order to get there. But yeah, it's all there. I'm happy to help. I want to help you because I know how painful it can be when you're not growing, when you're struggling to find people, when you're struggling to train your people, when you're struggling to get the next job sold, when you're struggling to figure out what you're supposed to price yourself out, when you're struggling to not to be taken away from your home for so long because you get busy by just doing everything on your own. So I know exactly what it's like. I've been through it. I've been there. I've done that. It's no fun. And the outcome is not going to be good if you don't make a change. So I'm offering to help. I want to help you. Be sure to reach out to me, and let's set up a call, a strategy session. You can book a strategy session right through the link that I'm going to leave below that's got the free training. So love you guys. Be sure to shoot some deer. Go make money. Boom.